Hi guys, good morning. I just want to show you around our place. Okay, alright, let's go. Mhm. Diba? 30, it's so, oh my gosh. You can see that is our house. Mm. Oh, sorry. I'm not good in this. So this is our place. Look, it's windy, a little bit windy. No? So, alright. I just need to go up slowly. Yeah, here it is. Look. So that is, wow, it's very hot. It's hot, hot, hot. Oh, there's a crow. Look at that. There's a crow. Alright, wow, look at the clouds, guys. It's so nice. I think that's so high. So I'll spin it a little bit. So you can see down there from a distance, a mountain which covered by the clouds, and there is a rice field out there. You can see also the I think that mountain is a Mount Malindang. We are so lucky to have that mountain here in Misamis Occidental. So you can see the dam, the river that we used to when we were young. Yeah, that's the dam. We used to go there before our elementary days. So I'll just spin it around again so you can see far from a distance. And you can hear the crow. Quack! Yeah, wow, what a beautiful day. It looks like it's cloudy. Yeah, wow, what a beautiful day. And you can see again the rice field over there on that area. Okay, so many rice fields here in our place. I'll just go up a little bit for you to see the ocean from a distance. But because it's really cloudy, you cannot really see the ocean. So, ooh, what a lovely day. Lovely day. Lovely day. I'll just spin it a bit for you guys to see it's in our place. Look at the clouds. Wow. Look at that clouds over there. You can see. Oh my God. So nice. So nice. Look. OMG. I think I am back where we started. So yeah, that's it. Look at the mountain. It's covered by the clouds because it's really cloudy today. So go, I'll just go down a bit. I just go down a bit. Alright. Yeah. Can see all the trees over there. See, big trees. Look where we are right now. I'm not good on, flying the drone, just practicing. Even before, I always practice because they said practice makes perfect. So, alright, I'll go down. Here we are. Yeah, so I'm here now. But I'll just go, a little bit farther because there is a trees. So I'll just, here. And I spin it around for you guys to see. Oh, I do like this. Yeah, this is I'm here. I'll show you. I'm here. Where am I? Where am I? Where am I? Oh, I cannot. I think it's on the other side, so I'll just spin a bit here. Yeah. So that's ours. So that's me. I'm waving hi. See? So that's me. Hi. So that's it. And a little bit, just a little bit down so you can see me. Alright. So this is, and spin it again. It's really windy. Look at it's the drone is the struggle of the wind. So you can see down. Look at the trees. It's moving because of the wind. The sea. I don't see. Look. Alright. So, anyways, that's all for now, guys. But I'll just. You can hear the crows. All trees here in our place. I'll just go up again. It's against the light. It's against the light, yeah. It's really against the light, but now you can see it's so beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright, you can see the Nipa Hut there, oh. And I think that's ours. Oh, no, that's not ours. Here, you can see the land where we stay. Trees, there's trees, more trees. And I don't know where am I. Ah, no. On the other side. So, I'll go up again. Because I cannot see where it's really bright. It's really, really bright. Yeah. Wow, that tree is so nice. You know. Alright, that's so high up there. You can see. I cannot see because I don't want to go. Oh, I'll show you the highway. That's the highway over there. And I'll go there a little bit for you to see the highway. Where is it? I cannot see as well. I can't see it. Okay, a little bit farther. Oh my God. Oops. I just need to go this area. Oops. Oh. Yeah. I don't know if you can see no, you cannot. You cannot. It's all trees. Yeah, you can see that. So I cannot see the drone now. There. You can see that. So, I'm afraid to go farther because it's really small and I cannot see anyways, there's a GPS. So, farther. But because I am afraid, I'm scared. So I'll come back. Wow, what a beautiful clouds over there. Look, clouds over there. Alright, that's it. That is for now. I'll come back for now. Bye. Come back to me. No, it's coming back to me. It's all coming back to me now. See, I'm here. Hello, everyone. Thank you for watching, and God bless you all. Oh, there's so many crows. So that's it. Come to me. Yeah, here. Alright, I'm here. Thank you for watching. That's it.